Alright you guys, we're getting a new seat on the bobber today. It's completely custom too. One of a kind. See if I can do this with one hand. Alright, you ready? Boom, there it is. Look at that, it's gonna be an actual Springer seat now. We got it from Blue Collar Bobbers. They make a really good kit to make everything in the bobbers, so we're gonna get it installed today. The old seat, the front half is velcroed on, and then the bottom half is those two bolts right there, I think, and then that bolt right there. We'll see. It's gonna be a struggle to get that off, I think, but we'll let you know when we get it off. Alright, we got it off. It was just velcroed on after all. This was some strong velcro though. If anyone wants this old seat, you can have it. Now we just gotta take these two bolts off. This whole plate will come off, and then we'll be in business. Alright, we finally got the bolts off of that seat. That was such a pain, but now we need to get it the rest of the way off. So yeah, we had to get the Allen key on top and then a wrench on the bottom to hold the nut in place because it was just spinning. So we'll get the rest of the seat off and then we'll be on our way. Alright, we're coming along. We got this this piece installed here, that's the pivot point, and then we got this bracket installed right here that's it's going to sit on the back of it there. So next step is to put the cover pan on and then the seat itself. Alright, we got the plate on. We just need to trim these zip ties now so it looks nice and clean. Next step is putting the seat on. Alright, we got the springs on. Now last step is to mount the seat and we will be finished. Can't wait. Alright, there you guys go. There's the final product. These springs are pretty stiff, so I don't know how much they're going to help exactly, but we'll find out on the first ride in the next video. It wasn't too bad of a job. It was a little frustrating getting that old seat off. Did not want to come off at all. Those bolts that were holding it to the frame. So if anybody wants it, you can have it for free. I'll even ship it to you for free. But yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention, this seat, this diamond stitching here is one of a kind. Blue Collar Bobbers, the place I got this from, they make one that has red stitching that is just straight lines all the way across. And they made this custom diamond stitching one for me. It's the only one that they ever made so far, but now that I have it, they'll probably make some more. But this is the very first one. The seat does make the bike a little bit taller. Well, the seat does make the seat height a little bit taller, but I can still reach the ground just fine, and I can still reach the pedals just fine. But we'll go over that in the first ride anyway. So if you guys liked today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.